Hey everyone, Trevor here. Today, I'll guide you on fixing Twitter's sensitive content settings if they're not working. Let's dive right in. If you find that Twitter is blocking sensitive content but you want to turn off this filter, follow these steps to get it working again. First, open up Safari or Google Chrome and access the web-based version of Twitter by going to twitter.com. Log in to your Twitter account from the website, not the app on your iPhone or Android. Once logged in, tap on the profile icon at the top left, then scroll down to Settings and Privacy and tap on it. Next, navigate to Privacy and Safety and tap on it. Under Content You See, ensure that Display Media that may contain sensitive content is checked on. Scroll down further and tap on Search Settings. Make sure that Hide Sensitive Content is toggled off. After adjusting these settings, return to the Twitter app. If it's still not working, try fully closing the app by swiping up and then reopening it to see if that resolves the issue. If the problem persists, go to your device's settings, tap on General, then iPhone Storage. Find Twitter in the list of apps, offload it, and then reinstall it. This process updates the app to the latest version and refreshes any bugs within it. Once the app is reinstalled, your sensitive content settings should work as intended. This aligns with the settings you adjusted on the web-based version of Twitter. I hope this helps you resolve any issues with Twitter's sensitive content settings. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.